Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix posts getting removed on Reddit. Alright, let's begin. First, understand that this issue is very common. The main reason posts get removed is low karma. Reddit uses karma limits to prevent spam. If your account has very low karma, your posts may be caught by spam filters. To check this, tap your profile icon at the top right, select View Profile, and check your karma score. If it is below 4 or 5, this is likely the problem. The best solution is to earn karma first. Join subreddits with low or no karma restrictions and start commenting on posts in topics you understand. This helps you gain karma quickly. If your post is removed, open your notifications to see the exact reason. Always check subreddit rules and avoid suspicious links or inappropriate language. So that's basically how you can fix post getting removed on Reddit. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.